guys, what's up? My name is Asia May and thank you so much for joining me today. If you guys are new here, I talk all things business, personal finance, and entrepreneurship here on my channel. If you guys are interested in more videos about credit cards, make sure that you go ahead and subscribe down below simply because I will be posting a lot more content based on credit cards. I'll actually be doing an unboxing and a discussion about my new gold Amex card that I just got in the mail this past week. I was really excited about the 75,000 point offer, which is the highest one that Amex has given so far. I'll leave more of that discussion for that video, but if you guys are interested in getting the 75,000 point referral offer, I'll leave my referral link down in the description box below. Most importantly, you guys, Baby Daddy Drake said it himself. Please go ahead, you guys, smash, demolish, caress the like button. I don't care what you do, just please go ahead and smash the like button down below. It's all I ask in exchange for all of this free information, and I really would appreciate it, you guys. Without further ado, I'm just going to go ahead and get into the video. What we're going to be talking about today is the new Chase Freedom Flex card, because we all know we love some nice, sweet credit cards, right? Chase has recently released some new information about the new Flex card, as well as some different changes that are going to be happening with the other cards within the Chase Freedom family. First, I want to explain to you guys all of the different things about the new Chase Freedom Flex card. The new Chase Freedom Flex card is one of the most impressive cards, I would have to say, in terms of no annual fee cards. Even if you have this card for 1, 10, 5, 15, 30, 110 years, who knows how old you get, you're going to still be charged $0 on that card. Considering that this card is only $0 and the benefits that it gives you is comparable to a lot of annual fee cards, this is something that you really should be considering having in your wallet. The Chase Freedom card was announced on August 31st, 2020 of this year. However, it is not officially being released until September 15th of 2020. Chase did an amazing job with pivoting with this card, especially right now with what consumers are now spending their money on. It's not going to be necessarily travel or going out, because we are literally in the midst of a pandemic. They did an amazing job with giving us a credit card that is not only zero annual fee, but also gives you benefits for all of the things that you are going to more than likely spend your money on right now, which is eating out, dining, groceries. With that being said, Chase definitely is living up to their mission statement with this card. As a matter of fact, the general manager of Chase Freedom, BJ Mahoney, released in a statement this week that the Chase Freedom Flex is really meant to, and I quote, challenge the status quo for what consumers expect from a no-fee cashback card. And I definitely have to say Chase killed it with this, and they did exactly that. Let's talk about some of the new details about this card and how it varies from all of the other Chase cards. The first very obvious difference is the fact that it's a Mastercard. If you look back at all of the different Chase cards, all of them pretty much for the most part are all Visa cards. This is the newest card that Chase has done with Mastercard in a very long time. I believe it's actually been 5 years since they've released a card with cooperation of Mastercard. Since it is with Mastercard, there are many additional benefits that you are going to be getting with this card. Maybe you're going out to eat somewhere, maybe you're going to charge something on your card, and that particular vendor does not accept Visa. You can always just pull out your Mastercard as a different alternative, so you're covered and you can pay for whatever you want to right then and there. Some of these Mastercard World Elite benefits are as followed. First and most importantly, what a lot of people are very excited about is the cell phone insurance. What the cell phone insurance entails, you guys, is you're going to be getting up to $800 per claim and $1,000 per year in cell phone protection against theft or other damages done to your phone. Second is you're also going to be getting the additional Lyft benefit. With the Lyft credit, you're going to be getting $10 in credit for every 5 rides you've taken in a calendar month. So within the month of January, within the month of February, and so forth. The next 3 benefits are going to be something that maybe not a lot of people are going to use, so I'm just going to go ahead and breeze through those real quick. The third one is going to be the box benefit, which means that you will be getting 5% cash rewards on box purchases for the use on future purchases. Next after that is going to be the shop runner benefit, which means you get free membership to receive 2-day shipping and free returns on shipping at over 100 online retailers. Lastly, I don't know if anyone uses Fandango anymore. I sure don't. I think the last time I used Fandango, I was in probably like middle school. You also get the additional benefit from Fandango that you get double VIP points for movie tickets purchased via the Fandango app or fandango.com. These are some of the additional benefits you're going to get with the new Freedom Flex card simply because it's a Mastercard. Now, let's talk a little bit more about the benefits of this card itself. As we've already discussed before, you guys, it is a no annual fee card, so you are paying $0 to have this card in your wallet. On top of this, Chase is giving a really sweet sign-up bonus for this. Chase even goes a little bit further to sweeten the deal by giving $200 cash back when you spend $500 in the first 3 months of having this card. On top of that, they're also going to be giving 5% cash back on all grocery purchases for the first year up to $12,000. Those are just some of the new additional benefits, as well as the amazing sign-up bonuses that come with the Chase Freedom Flex card. The Freedom Flex is essentially going to be replacing the current Freedom card. At the time being, Chase has the Freedom card as well as the Freedom Unlimited card. What that pretty much means is that if you are a current Freedom holder, you can always go ahead and change out your Freedom card for the Freedom Flex. If you guys want the Freedom card, definitely go ahead and get it, because once the Freedom Flex card arrives, you're no longer going to be able to access the Freedom card. It's only really going to be available to people that have the Freedom card currently. They have the opportunity to go ahead and change their Freedom card to a Freedom Flex card, but it doesn't work the other way around. So by that I mean, if you have the Freedom Flex card, you can't go back and get the Freedom card. So let's go into the Freedom Unlimited card. So I'm going to pop my screen up here so you guys are able to see what exactly I'm talking about. The main key distinguishing factor between the Chase Freedom and the Chase Freedom Flex from the Chase Freedom Unlimited is revolving categories. The Chase Freedom and the Chase Freedom Flex are a little bit different because they offer a 5% cash back on all purchases in a revolving category for that specific quarter. It could be dining, it could be gas stations, it really just depends on what Chase offers that exact quarter. This is different from the Freedom Unlimited card because the Freedom Unlimited card gives you 1.5% cash back on all purchases. There's no revolving categories or different categories or changing every quarter. It's just a flat out 1.5% cash back on all purchases made on that card. It's really nice to have all of these flexible cash back benefits, and especially because sometimes some people will not be getting some of the benefits of that certain revolving category. So for instance, if I'm a college student and I don't drive because I go to school in Boston, I wouldn't be getting a lot of the benefits from revolving categories such as gasoline. That might prompt me to not really want to go for the Chase Freedom card because I'm not always going to be able to get the benefit of that 5% cash back on my purchases. It also has a lot to do with the other credit cards that you have currently in your credit card arsenal. Some of the new benefits that are also going to be available starting on September 13th, 2020 for the Freedom Unlimited members are going to be as follows. First is going to be 5% back on all travel purchased through the Chase Ultimate Rewards system. Second is going to be 3% back on dining. Last but not least is going to be the 3% back on drugstore purchases. Here on the Chase website that I'll link down in the description box below, you can do a side-by-side analysis of the new Freedom Flex card as well as in comparison to the Freedom Unlimited card. The difference is going to be coming from where the Freedom Unlimited only gives 1.5% cash back on all purchases, whereas the Freedom Flex, like the Freedom card, is going to be giving you 5% back on bonus categories for each quarter you activate and 1% back on all other purchases. Right then and there, we're able to see the easy difference between the two cards. Then we go on to see the additional card benefits between the two cards. So each gives you cashback rewards, which do not expire. Those rewards are going to be rolling over until the next month until you decide to redeem them. Second, you're going to see right here is the Lyft benefits. You're able to earn 5% cash back with Lyft until March of 2022. You're going to see a little bit of a difference. It's only a 0.5% difference, but that's something that we should know anyway. Here we're able to see you're able to earn a 5% cash back on Lyft rides with the Unlimited and the Freedom Flex cards. With the Freedom Unlimited, it is a 3.5 additional percent cash back as opposed to the Freedom Flex, which is a 4% cash back in addition. They both additionally give you the DoorDash credit as we've discussed, and that is exactly the same between the two cards. A lot of the other benefits are going to be very similar too, as we can see here with the zero liability protection in case unauthorized charges are made to your card, as well as other benefits like the purchase protection up to $500 per claim and $50,000 per account for that year. It also extends to the extended warranty protection, as well as the free credit score, which you can receive with Credit Journey. Also, fraud monitoring and all of these other ones. There's no need to really go into all of the different additional benefits, but the one that we really want to point out, as we've stated earlier, was the cell phone protection benefit. Now we're going to be talking a little bit more about how this impacts the Chase Sapphire Reserved and the Chase Sapphire Preferred. As you may know, the Chase Sapphire Reserve and Preferred cards are meant to be more of the luxe travel cards that Chase offers to their clients. This means it's amazing for redeeming for travel points, using the points that you've racked up and accumulated to then go ahead and travel the world, get free hotel stay, free flights, and so forth. If you guys want more videos on that, I'm more than happy to make them, and I absolutely will. Leave a comment for that down below, and don't forget to also hit the like button so I know that you guys are interested in videos that relate to credit cards. In terms of the Sapphire and the Reserve, there is a lot of overlap with the new benefits that we are seeing from the Freedom Flex card, especially in terms of the Chase Sapphire Preferred card, which essentially is kind of becoming a little bit obsolete when you have the Chase Freedom Flex card in your arsenal. The reason I'm saying that is because the Chase Sapphire Preferred was meant to be more of like a nicer luxe travel and dining card. So you are going to be receiving 2x back on travel as well as dining. With the Freedom cards, you are going to be receiving, as I said, the 5% or the 5x back towards your rewards points. You're also going to be receiving 3% or 3x back with dining, which is a lot better than the 2x that you get back simply with the preferred card. The same can be said about the Chase Sapphire Reserve, which is supposed to be the most luxe card that Chase offers to their clients. You're going to be getting 3x back on travel and dining credits. Essentially, the preferred is kind of up in the air in terms of how valuable it is, and if you are someone that has been thinking about getting the preferred, I honestly would recommend holding off for a little bit because this card has become kind of not really worth it anymore. Chase is going to have to go ahead and amp up their game a little bit more with those cards. I wouldn't pull the trigger too soon with that card. I'd wait a little bit and see what Chase has to offer because it is credit cards, and credit cards are a business. Competitors like Amex are going to be firing back with some even better offers with their cards, which is likely going to prompt Chase to do something with their cards as well. If you are under 524 like myself, I definitely would highly consider the Chase Freedom Flex card. I think it is an amazing card with amazing benefits. But as I've said, it really depends on your personal spend and what other cards you have in your own arsenal, as well as your own personal strategy that you think is going to be best in terms of your own credit card journey. If you're someone that's over 524, yes, this kind of sucks because this is an amazing card and you're not going to be able to apply for it since you are going to be locked out due to that rule. If you guys are not familiar with the 524 rule, it essentially means that Chase will not accept you if you've received 5 new cards within a 24-month period of time. With that being said, if you're over the 524 rule, you kind of have some leeway and some time to not only have one of your other credit cards drop off of 524, you can also start to begin to strategize which credit card you would really prefer to take over that new slot that's going to be opening up for you. Like this video if you got any valuable information out of it, and hit the subscribe button down below if you want to join the family. That's all I have to say about this, you guys. I really appreciate it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys are enjoying these credit card videos, remember I have an unboxing for my Amex Gold card, as well as talking about reasons why I chose to go with Amex over Chase. Also, you guys, in preparation for the next video, remember I have my referral link for my 75,000 point Amex referral bonus for the Gold card. It's going to be down in the description box below. With that said, you guys, I thank you so much for joining me today, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye, guys. Mwah!